Have you ever bought something without seeing a single ad? No push, no pop-up, no urgency. You just felt like it. This wasn't luck, this was marketing done quietly and done right. So, in today's episode of Modern Marketing Unlocked, we are talking about invisible marketing. How the smartest brand drive conversions without sounding like they are selling. Hello, I'm Nidhi and you're watching This is Digital Marketing, where we decode what truly works in modern marketing. Let's take another example of CRED. CRED doesn't say pay now. It just says since you have paid your bill, here is a reward. There is no push, just a well-timed pat on the back. You feel seen, you feel good, and you keep returning back to CRED. Take another example. You're watching Prime Video. I'm watching Smallville, the Superman show. The credit rolls and quietly nudge appears. Love the series? Read the book. It was based on no CTA, just context, timing, and relevant to you. It's not a coincidence, it's invisible commerce. How about another example, IKEA? IKEA never says buy this. Instead, it makes you walk through rooms after rooms. It feels like your furniture at your home. You don't just enter IKEA, buy stuff and go out. You have to walk through entire IKEA store before you walk out, which makes you not even buy more than what you're supposed to, but in fact helps you get a perspective on what all new arrivals do they have. So, can I sell by serving? Can I persuade by designing better moments? Not louder message, because the strongest brands today don't shout, they whisper. And somehow we still hear them. This is Modern Marketing Unlocked and you're watching This is Digital Marketing. Hit subscribe and I will see you again.